Impact drivers are necessary components of the DIY builder's or homeowner's arsenal. They combine the driving force of a hammer drill with the motor-assisted torque action in the chuck when it senses resistance from screws, giving these tools unparalleled strength. Ryobi's P235 impact driver, powered by 18-volt lithium-ion batteries from Ryobi's Oneplus line, is ideal for renovation projects in or around the house where driving long fasteners is necessary. With 1,600 pounds of torque behind this dual-action motor, the P235 has enough juice to do what you need. Get in tight spaces with its sleek, light, compact design. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Hold it comfortably with the notched, rubberized grip that helps to keep the elements at bay. Its magnetic base can keep your bits and screws close in case you need to make a quick change on the job, which can be done with the quick-release collar that ejects bits as you pull it back. Ryobi has created an impact driver of prime convenience and value. Add it to your collection of Oneplus tools today. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Oneplus Compatible. Keep this tool charged with any of the lithium-ion batteries from the Ryobi Oneplus family. You can even use older NiCad batteries. Compatible batteries include P100, P101, P102, P103, P104, P105, P107, P108. Number 2. Change bits with one hand. Quick connect cuff attached to the 1/4-inch chuck lets you insert bits and remove them with the same hand. Simply pull back on the cuff to eject your bits. Number 3. Onboard organization. Magnetic tray can hold screws and bits for maximum user convenience. Number 4. Comfortable handling. A notched rubber grip conforms to the pistol grip handle so you can drive screws accurately in the worst conditions. Number 5. 1,600 pounds of torque. Connected to the 2-speed gearbox allows you to drive and remove screws with ease. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.